So we just picked up our F-150, getting ready to set this thing up. We ordered magnetic signs for ClearFlow Home Maintenance. It's a gutter cleaning company and so much more. But yeah, we're happy with the truck. We got a great deal on it. I will put the dealer's info in the comments below. The guys were wonderful. There were 7 trucks that I looked at with them, and this is the one I chose because it had the rack already in place. But great condition. Got a good deal on it. North Carolina. If anybody's looking for a North Carolina truck, I will put the information below. But yeah, this is it. This is the start of ClearFlow Home Maintenance, and get ready for future videos. We're going to be cranking out a lot, and hope all is well, everybody. If you're looking to start a business, get after it. There's no better time than now, and we'll talk to you all soon. Peace out.